your Windows utility is stuck or failed on Windows 10, and we're going to fix it right now. This guide tackles the common Windows utility stuck or failed errors head-on, ensuring you get back to full functionality without delay. If restarting the Windows utility service doesn't resolve the issue, the problem often lies with corrupted temporary files, which is exactly why we move to method 2, clearing the Windows utility cache files. This process removes any potentially damaging data that could be preventing the utility from running correctly. Should that still not bring the utility back online, we need to ensure it has the necessary permissions, which leads us to method 3, running the Windows utility as an administrator. This grants the application elevated privileges it might need to access certain system functions. Finally, if none of those steps work, the utility itself might be outdated. So method 4 focuses on updating the Windows utility application to its latest version, often containing crucial bug fixes.